In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the browser hijacking extension that is called Best Music Searches. Best Music Searches. This particular browser hijacker is sometimes installed through fake browser update alerts. For instance, you may suddenly see strange pop-ups mentioning that you need to perform some Chrome update or installation of certain so-called recommended extension, but in reality, Best Music Searches is actually hijacking your browser settings. The extension may change the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab. So whenever you start submitting certain search queries, you may notice that the results would be delivered by Yahoo Search and not by Google Search anymore. This is all happening because of this Best Music Searches hijacker injected and active in your Google Chrome browser. There are times when unwanted browser extensions may also collect some browsing-related data, so you should treat them with caution, and if you are not happy with the way your browser operates, you should get rid of this Best Music Searches extension as soon as possible. So to remove it, access the menu of your Google Chrome browser, click on Settings, choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, then scroll down to the Permissions area, choose Notifications. This will help you to deactivate these multiple pop-ups on your screen, which could also point you to some other deceptive websites. So if you see any junk sites here, be sure to get rid of them completely. Also, to remove any unwanted browser extensions, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, deactivate and delete them. I would also recommend you to additionally research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to establish the other possible threats which could remain on your device. Of course, you could first of all visually check the control panel of your computer and try to uninstall any programs that are not familiar to you. But often it might happen that visually the system is free of threats. Nevertheless, the browser may still act in a very unusual manner. So Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete other traces of malware on your computer. As I said, combocleaner.com is the page you need to go to. After the program is downloaded and installed, start scanning your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scan. First of all, the program will help you to analyze some browser-related issues, but it also can help you to detect more serious threats like malware, ransomware that currently circulate all over the world. Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will be properly protected against all kinds of ransomware attacks. So, as I said, at the end of scan, the program will give you the summary of all threats. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. So you may remove these threats manually or consider upgrading to the premium license of the program in order to delete all these threats automatically and have your system protected against all further malware attacks.